The best ways to learn English through music and songs. Learning English through music and songs is one of the most enjoyable and effective methods to improve language skills. Songs offer a rich source of vocabulary, improve listening comprehension, and help learners get a sense of the natural rhythm and flow of the language. Here's how to harness the power of music for mastering English. 1. Choose the right songs for your level. Start with simple songs. If you're a beginner, it's best to begin with simple, slow songs with clear pronunciation. Pop music, ballads, or children's songs often have repetitive phrases and basic vocabulary, making them ideal for learners. Gradually increase difficulty. As your comprehension improves, challenge yourself with songs that have more complex lyrics, faster tempos, and slang. Examples. Beginners. Let It Be, by the Beatles. Hello, by Adele. Intermediate, advanced. Rolling in the Deep, by Adele. Hotel California, by Eagles. 2. Read the lyrics while listening. Why it works. Reading lyrics while listening helps connect the sounds of words with their written form. This strengthens both listening and reading comprehension. Websites like Genius or AZ Lyrics provide access to song lyrics. How to do it. Pick a song, play it, and follow along with the lyrics. Pay attention to pronunciation, sentence structure, and new words. Tip. After a few listens, try to sing along without looking at the lyrics. This will improve memory retention and pronunciation. 3. Focus on vocabulary and phrases. Why it works. Songs often use idiomatic expressions, phrasal verbs, and colloquial language that can be difficult to find in textbooks. Listening to songs helps learners naturally absorb these phrases and learn how they're used in context. How to do it. Make a list of new words or phrases from each song, and look up their meanings. Try using these words in sentences or conversations to reinforce learning. Example. The song, Shape of You, by Ed Sheeran contains useful phrasal verbs like, put on, and, fill up, which can be applied in daily conversations. 4. Use repetition for retention. Why it works. Repetition is key to language learning. By listening to a song over and over, you naturally memorize vocabulary and grammatical structures. The melody also helps with recall. How to do it. Choose a few songs you enjoy and listen to them frequently. Singing along or shadowing, mimicking the words as you hear them, is a great way to internalize the language. Tip. Create a playlist of your favorite English songs to listen to while commuting or exercising. 5. Practice pronunciation. Why it works. Singing along with music can greatly improve your pronunciation. When you mimic a singer's intonation and rhythm, you are practicing how native speakers naturally speak. How to do it. Pick a song where the singer's voice is clear. Sing along as closely as possible to match their pronunciation, accent, and emphasis on syllables. Example. Artists like Sam Smith and Adele are known for clear pronunciation in their songs, making them perfect for improving pronunciation skills. 6. Watch music videos with subtitles. Why it works. Music videos with English subtitles allow you to match lyrics with visuals, making it easier to understand meaning and context. Many songs tell stories, and watching the video alongside the lyrics helps you make sense of new words and phrases. How to do it. YouTube is a great platform for finding music videos with English subtitles. Choose a song, watch the video, and try to comprehend the story behind the lyrics. 7. Analyze the grammar. Why it works. Songs often reflect spoken English, using contractions, informal grammar, and even slang. This can help learners become more comfortable with everyday English. How to do it. Look for common grammatical structures in songs. Pay attention to tenses, sentence patterns, and word order. Compare how they are used in the song to more formal grammar rules. Example. In If I Were a Boy, by Beyoncé, the use of the subjunctive mood, if I were, provides a useful lesson in conditional grammar. 8. Use karaoke apps. Why it works. Karaoke apps like Smool or Yoki provide an interactive way to learn English by singing along to popular songs. These apps often display lyrics in real time, helping with pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. How to do it. Use a karaoke app to sing along to your favorite English songs. Focus on getting the words right while keeping up with the pace of the music. This will help improve your fluency and timing. 9. Translate the lyrics. Why it works. Translating a song from your native language into English, or vice versa, allows you to dive deeper into understanding both the literal and metaphorical meanings of words. How to do it. Pick a song, translate the lyrics, and then compare your translation to the original. This process helps you notice nuances in the language and improve your vocabulary and comprehension. 10. Learn about culture through music. Why it works. Music is a reflection of culture. By listening to English songs, you not only learn the language but also gain insight into the culture, history, and societal values of English-speaking countries. How to do it. Listen to a variety of genres, from pop to folk to country. Take note of cultural references and themes. For example, country music often reflects rural American life, while rap and hip-hop might introduce slang and urban culture. Final thoughts. Learning English through music is fun and effective because it engages both the mind and emotions. By combining lyrics with melody, learners can improve vocabulary, listening skills, pronunciation, and cultural understanding. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, incorporating music into your study routine is a smart and enjoyable way to master English.